On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Geyser.
A natural hot spring that periodically ejects a column of boiling water and steam into the air, a device that produces a similar effect for decorative or practical purposes.
Examples:
Erupting geyser, Yellowstone geyser. The geyser's hot water generates electricity for nearby towns and cities.
Caldera.
A large, basin-shaped volcanic crater typically formed by a massive eruption or the collapse of a volcanic cone, often filled with water to form a lake or isolated ecosystem.
Examples:
Freshwater caldera, volcanic caldera. The Yellowstone caldera is one of the world's largest volcanic craters.
Magma.
Molten rock that is located beneath the Earth's surface and can solidify to form igneous rock.
Examples:
Volcanic magma, magma flow. Magma chambers are large underground reservoirs where molten rock is stored before an eruption.
Mantle.
A layer of rock between the surface and the core of a planet or moon, a loose sleeveless cloak or shawl, the responsibilities of an important position or job that passes from one person to another.
Examples:
Mantle of power, mantle of the presidency. The mantle layer on Mars is much thinner than on Earth.
Igneous.
Related to or produced by the process of solidification from a molten state, particularly about rocks or minerals formed by volcanic activity or by cooling and solidification deep within the Earth's crust.
Examples:
Igneous mineralogy, igneous formation. The solidification of molten magma forms igneous rocks.
Groundwater.
Water that is present beneath the surface of the ground, especially in soil or in pores and crevices in rock.
Examples:
Groundwater supply, contaminated groundwater. The town's main source of water is natural groundwater.
Precipitate.
To cause something to happen suddenly or unexpectedly, to cause a solid substance to form from a dissolved liquid or gas by means of a chemical reaction or physical process.
Examples:
Precipitate a reaction, precipitate a global energy crisis. The sudden rainstorm will precipitate flooding in low-lying areas.
Feldspar.
A group of minerals that are abundant in the Earth's crust and have a wide range of chemical compositions, often used in the manufacture of ceramics and glass.
Examples:
Igneous feldspar, sodium feldspar. The chemical composition of feldspar minerals varies between different geological environments.
Galena.
A mineral that is the primary source of lead, Often found in metallic form and used in a variety of applications, including batteries and protective coatings.
Examples:
Galena crystal, galena ore. The galena mineral is often used for lead extraction and mining.
Cascade.
A small waterfall or series of small waterfalls, a succession of stages or operations or processes or units.
Examples:
Cascade connection, transistor cascade. The cascade of waterfalls in the national park was a breathtaking sight.
Crystalline.
Resembling crystal in clarity, transparency, or brilliance, having a highly ordered and symmetrical molecular structure.
Examples:
Crystalline structure, crystalline water. The geologist found a beautiful specimen of a crystalline mineral.
Tetragonal.
Of or relating to a crystal system characterized by three axes, two of which are of equal length and perpendicular to a third, longer axis.
Examples:
Tetragonal structure, tetragonal prism. The tetragonal symmetry of the molecule plays an important role in its chemical properties.
Orthorhombic.
Describing a crystal system in which the three axes have different lengths and intersect at right angles.
Examples:
Orthorhombic crystal, orthorhombic structure. The mineral has an orthorhombic lattice structure with a unit cell that can be described mathematically.
Monoclinic.
Describing a crystal system in which two of the three axes intersect at oblique angles, and the third is perpendicular to them.
Examples:
Monoclinic system, monoclinic mineral. The monoclinic shape of the molecule accounts for its unique physical properties.
Triclinic.
Describing a crystal system in which all three axes intersect at oblique angles.
Examples:
Triclinic symmetry, triclinic lattice. The mineral's optical properties are characteristic of the triclinic crystal system.
Hexagon.
A six-sided polygon with six angles and six sides of equal length.
Examples:
Hexagon head bolt, hexagon pattern. The honeycomb structure of a beehive is made up of hexagons.
Interlocking.
Fitting or locking together in a way that makes a continuous and secure whole.
Examples:
Interlocking braid, interlocking mechanism. The interlocking puzzle pieces were difficult to separate.
Octahedron.
A geometrical solid or three-dimensional shape with 8 equally sized and shaped sides, each forming an equilateral triangle.
Examples:
Octahedron crystal, Interconnected octahedrons. The building's design featured an octahedron-shaped atrium.
Germanium.
A chemical element with the symbol G and atomic number 32, which is a hard and grayish-white metalloid used in a variety of electronic applications, alloys, and as a semiconductor in transistors and other devices.
Examples:
Germanium crystal, germanium diode. Germanium-based solar cells are highly efficient and often used in space technology.
Sparkle.
To emit or reflect bright flashes of light, especially with animation and joy.
Examples:
Sparkle like a gem. Sparkle from receiving light. The diamond sparkled in the sunlight.
Recognizable.
Easy to become aware of or identify.
Examples:
To a recognizable degree. Recognizable landmark. His car was easily recognizable in the parking lot.
Crystallize.
To form crystals from a liquid or solution, to become clear or definite in form or structure, to solidify.
Examples:
Crystallize a concept. Crystallize into reality. As the sugar water cools, it will slowly crystallize into rock candy.
Turquoise.
A greenish-blue mineral that is a hydrated copper and aluminum phosphate and is valued as a gemstone, often used in jewelry and decorative objects.
Examples:
Turquoise dress. Turquoise jewelry. The turquoise waters of the Caribbean were a breathtaking sight.
Discernible.
Able to be perceived or recognized, clear or distinguishable.
Examples:
Discernible pattern. Lack of discernible progress. There was a discernible change in the atmosphere when the boss walked into the room.
Medicinal.
Of or relating to the treatment or cure of disease.
Examples:
Medicinal chemistry. Traditional medicinal. The medicinal properties of this herb have been known to help with various ailments.